Everyone wants to use AI to make money or get things done faster. Most people give up because they don't know what to start learning first. Coursive solves that problem. The biggest issue most people have with AI right now isn't a lack of tools. It's actually the opposite. There are too many AI tools out there and hardly any structure for how to actually learn or use them properly. People bounce between ChatGPT, image generators, all sorts of tools and prompt libraries, but nothing really sticks. You might generate a few results, but there's no clear direction, no long term progress, and nothing concrete you can actually show for it. All this constant switching just gets overwhelming instead of helping you move forward, especially for beginners who just want a straightforward path. Coursive is built to tackle that exact issue by providing a guided AI learning experience instead of random tutorials or scattered videos. Instead of just bombarding you with information, Coursive organises its courses around specific AI tools and clear goals like writing, images, productivity, or content creation. This setup takes the guesswork out of what to learn next and helps users make progress step by step. Rather than feeling lost, you always know what you're working on and where you are, which is especially important for people who are new to AI or pressed for time. Learning in Coursive is split into daily challenges, each focusing on a single AI tool at a time. This method keeps learning manageable and stops you from feeling overwhelmed by trying to master everything all at once. Each session is, designed to only take a short amount of time, so it's easier to stay consistent even if you've got a busy schedule. By cutting out distractions and keeping a clear focus, Coursive helps users build real momentum and actually remember what they learn instead of burning out or giving up. Coursive puts a strong emphasis on practical application rather than just theory, which is where a lot of other AI learning platforms miss the mark. The app comes with built-in AI tools that you can use directly within the platform, so you're not always jumping between different websites. Pre-made prompt windows, they're designed for beginners so you don't have to start from scratch, which gets rid of a big hurdle when it comes to getting results. This learn and apply approach makes sure that every session results in something practical, which helps users build genuine confidence with AI instead of just taking in information. So, just a couple more points to mention. You can earn AI certificates that you can add to your LinkedIn profile, which boosts your credibility. The app keeps track of your daily learning and gives you a nudge to keep you coming back instead of dropping off. There are solid Trustpilot reviews and several YouTube reviews that show real people using it. If you want to learn AI without getting overwhelmed, click Start Now on Coursive and experience what structured learning is really like.